Now let's do the top shock. Loosen the set screw up and kind of pull the rear end, like have a droop. I don't know if you can see it, but it's pretty dirty. Just gonna wipe it. Wipe that as well. So for this part, I don't want to remove that in the ball joint because I put, as you can see, I put cotton in there just to make it not too tight, but very, very minimal play. That's why there's cotton in there. I think I did the same for the lower pivot. I put a little bit of cotton in there just so it won't have that side to side play. I also have the pipe cleaner to clean this, like the tube, the shock, but it's easier to use a paper towel. You can just throw it away after. I don't have to clean it. And then same thing, just a little bit of grease. I also want to clean the spring a little bit. And just like the side damper, I like to twist it and work its way in. See it? Oh yeah, you have to remember where your settings are when you're doing the well, actually just the set screw for your droop. Yeah, that's good. This car has a lot of off power steering, so as much as possible I don't want, for the SE in mod, I don't want to have that much droop in there. So yeah, that's how I do the top shot.